Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to post Slack messages for new HubSpot contacts. So whenever a new contact is created in HubSpot, a message will be sent to your Slack channel as a record that a new contact has been created. So we will be integrating these two applications in such a way that in this automation that we are going to create using Pabbly Connect, our trigger will be the contact added in HubSpot and our action will be to send channel messages in Slack. Let us learn how to do that. So let's just learn that how can you send notifications of the newly added customer in your HubSpot to your Slack channel. Let us quickly sign in into our account so that we will reach this place where I can see all the applications provided by Pabbly. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create this automation. Click on Access Now. That will take me to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Reaching here, you can see my prior automations that I have created. And we are going to create a workflow from scratch. So for that, click on this big blue button on your right side where it's written Create Workflow. Click on the button and give a suitable name to your workflow. I'm going to name it as Post Slack messages for new HubSpot contacts. Click on Create and then a blank workflow will be created for you like you can see on your screen. Now you will be able to see two major concepts of Pabbly Connect called trigger and action. I would like to remind you that make sure you open your HubSpot account to this contacts page and also your Slack channel over here so that it will be easier for you to connect your accounts and also cross-check the activity. So let us read what is trigger and action. Trigger says when this happens and action says do this, which means that trigger is going to be the first application where the event will be performed manually that we are going to do. And that will trigger this workflow so that the action application performs the assigned action automatically. So the trigger over here is going to be HubSpot. Choose your application and then the event will be new contact added. So whenever a new contact will be added, this workflow will start running. But before that, we need to connect HubSpot and Pabbly Connect in such a way that every time a new contact is added over here, this data is sent to this workflow as a response. So click on Connect, add new connection and connect with HubSpot CRM. Now there are accounts that you need to choose between. Click on the account you're working upon and click on choose account. Your accounts will be connected soon. It's done. Now you want output property. So what do you want as the output that you want to mention in your Slack channel message? So first of all, I want name. So there are two, first name and then we have last name. So it is appearing over here. What else do you want? Email. So look for only email. Yeah, this is the one. Erase this and now we need phone number. So you can choose again mobile phone number and phone number both, because sometimes it happens that phone number is not there but mobile number is available. So you want all these output properties. So now let us go to your HubSpot before we click on save and send test request and it fetches the last created contact over here. We will create a new contact. So let us create a new contact over here. I will use the save details. This is the email address of the contact, first name, last name and job title if you want to enter. We need phone number. So let us enter phone number, choose your country code and give the phone number over here. So this is the phone number, click on done. So we have given the phone number as well. If you want to add more details, so you can do it according to your requirement. But for our Slack channel workflow right now, we do not need anything more than that. So click on create and then a new contact will be created. See, it is here. So we will come back to the list we were having. And here we have the new contact. All right. So let us go back and click on save and send test request so that the newly created contact will appear over here. See, the last name, first name, email address and contact number is here. So these are the basic properties that were required by us to send a Slack channel message. So let us close this window because we have successfully received response from our trigger application. Now is the need to send a message on Slack. So choose your action application as Slack. And the action event will be send channel message. Click on connect, add new connection and connect with Slack. Now you have to enter over here either user or bot depending upon what action you want to perform. So you can get the reference from here where you are supposed to write user and where bot. So see, here are the list. If you type user over there, you will be allowed to do this. And if you write bot over there, so you will be allowed to do this. We want to send a channel message without image. So we can type bot. So we are going to type over here bot. Click on save and the connection will be done once you click on this allow over here. Since the connection has been established, you will be having this channel field where you have to select the name of your channel. So now let us come over here and see which channel you want to send your message to. You want to send your message to, let's say, general one. Okay, so general is the one where you want to send your message. So select general from here and then type your message. I have given the heading as new customer added, and the details that we have fetched from our trigger application, we will enter over here. Name, phone number and email. So let us map these values. Name, give a space, and then you can map from the previous data from this given drop down menu. The first name is this, give a space, and the second name is this. Now we need the phone number. So again open the drop down menu and map the phone number from here. Lastly, we have the email address. So we have the email address here. So every time a new contact will be added, a new response will be received in our trigger application, and these properties will be changed accordingly. No image, no bot name, nothing else is required. So come here down to save and send test request and click. And your message will be sent. See, it says sent. This is how the message will appear. Okay, so this is done over here. But the important thing is that there is no error over here, which means that our workflow has been a success. So let us close this window and go to our Slack channel to check if we have received a message or not. So this is my Slack channel. General is the name we selected, and this is how the message is going to appear. So which means that every time a new contact will be added over here in HubSpot, that will be fetched as a response and further sent to Slack like this, that a new customer has been added. So whichever way this group is working upon these customer adding thing, so they can contact the customer or send details about their product to this specific new customer created. So this was the whole workflow. I hope this helped.
Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.